Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you confused about how to change your country or your location in Shein application? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. Before we start our video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe button so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Shein application. And here, as you can see, right after opening your Shein application, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the below, you'll be able to see option Me that is located on the very last. Tap on the Me option. And once you're on the Me page, here you can see various options. On the top, you can see a gear icon. Here you'll have to tap on the gear icon. From the gear icon, here you'll be able to see address book, manage my account, location, and so on. From here, you'll have to tap on the location option. Here you can see all the countries that are listed here. Here you can choose your preferred country, and if you don't seem to find your country, then you can tap on the search bar that is located on the very top and search for your country. Choose your location, and here it is said that all your data is collected independently on the current country that you are logged into, and once you change the location of your country, you'll have to re-log in or register your new account. Well, if you are sure enough, then here you'll have to tap on continue to DE website. And after that, here as you can see, there is your email address right on the another page. Tap on continue. After that, here you'll have to type in your password. After you have typed your password, on the below you'll get to see I agree to the privacy and cookie policy terms and condition. Tap on the option and tap on register. And just like that, here as you can see, registration successful. And with that, you'll have successfully changed your country or location from your Shein application. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Have a good day.